Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to discuss about 6 latest defense updates regarding submarine expansion, then employing advanced MARV penetration technologies, showcasing AI powered defense and directed energy systems, crystal turbine blade technology, Netra MK1A, and regarding Project Kusha program. So let's start at number 1. India expands submarine plan to 9 boats. India has decided to expand its submarine acquisition plan, moving beyond the earlier proposal of 6 boats under Project 75I to a total of 9 conventional diesel-electric submarines in the first phase, as reported by the print. This decision reflects the government's assessment that the Navy underwater fleet will face significant depletion from the late 2030s onward, as several of the 19 submarines currently in service are scheduled for decommissioning. The additional 3 submarines whose make is yet to be finalized will follow the 6 advanced air-independent propulsion-equipped vessels being built by Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, that is MDL, in partnership with Germany's ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems. The contract modalities for Project 75I are being finalized and expected to be signed later this year, involving both a commercial agreement and a government-to-government arrangements between India and Germany. The expansion to 9 submarines is intended to strengthen India's underwater deterrence in the face of rapid naval modernization by China and Pakistan. Next, India's Agni-6 ICBM to employ advanced MARV and penetration technologies. India's DRDO is preparing for a significant leap in strategic deterrence with the proposed Agni-6 intercontinental ballistic missile. The focus has shifted from range and payload alone to survivability, ensuring that Indian warheads can penetrate heavily defended airspace and guarantee credible deterrence. Over the past decade, the global security environment has been reshaped by the deployment of advanced anti-ballistic systems such as the United States THAAD, Russia's S-500 and China's HQ-19. Now, these systems are capable of intercepting missiles at multiple stages of flight, making traditional ballistic trajectories increasingly vulnerable. India's response is to prioritize penetration capability, enabling future missiles to evade, confuse, and overwhelm interceptor grids. This marks a decisive evolution from earlier generations of missiles that relied primarily on speed and altitude. The foundation for Agni-6 has already been laid through mission Divyastra, which successfully validated multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicle technology on the Agni-5 in 2024 and 26. Unlike single warhead missiles that follow predictable arcs, Agni-6 will employ an advanced post-boost vehicle or payload bus to maneuver outside the atmosphere and release multiple warheads along divergent paths. Next, showcasing AI-powered defense and directed energy systems at North Tech Symposium. Zen Technologies Limited has unveiled a comprehensive suite of indigenous defense and advanced combat technology system at the North Tech Symposium 2026 in Prayagraj. The launch marks a significant milestone in India's ongoing drive for self-reliance in defense manufacturing under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. The company's latest offering highlight its growing focus on autonomous warfare system, AI-driven combat solutions, the next generation military technologies. Among the key products introduced was the AI-powered Zen anti-drone system, specially designed for counter-drone operations and aerial threat detection. This system reflects the increasing importance of counter-unmanned aerial system as drone warfare becomes a defining feature of modern battlefield. Zen also showcased the Zen Suraksha cybersecurity suite aimed at strengthening digital defense infrastructure, and the Zen anti-drone simulator, which provides training and operational readiness for forces confronting UAV threats. Another notable unveiling was Zen Virab, an unmanned ground vehicle engineered for combat logistics and casualty evacuation. This platform underscores the company's commitment to autonomous system capable of supporting frontline operations while reducing risk to personnel. Next, breakthrough in single crystal turbine blade technology. India's achievement in mastering the production of single crystal turbine blades represents one of the most significant milestones in its aerospace journey. These blades, developed through a joint program between the Defense Metallurgical Research Laboratory and the Gas Turbine Research Establishment, are already in advanced stages of casting trials and production. Ready-to-fit blades and vanes featuring advanced electron beam physical vapor deposition thermal barrier coatings have been manufactured and delivered, underscoring India's ability to produce components capable of withstanding the extreme temperature inside modern jet engines. Single crystal turbine blades are among the most technically demanding components in aero engine technology. By eliminating grain boundaries, they achieve far greater resistance to thermal stress and fatigue, enabling engines to operate at higher temperature and deliver improved efficiency and durability. Next, Netra Mk1A to bridge gap as Netra Mk2 faces platform delays. India's Netra Mk2 airborne surveillance program is advancing rapidly with radar development nearing completion, but delays in Airbus A321 platform modifications mean the system may not be introduced until the 2030s. To bridge this gap, DRDO and the Indian Air Force are fielding the Netra Mk1A, an interim solution that integrates next-generation radar technology onto Embraer ERJ-145 aircraft, ensuring India's airborne surveillance capability continues to expand. The objective was to repurpose these airframes for strategic military programs, including future force multipliers that would strengthen India's surveillance, command and control, and intelligence gathering capabilities. The centerpiece of the Netra Mk2 program is its advanced antenna array unit being developed by DRDO compared to the radar carried by existing Netra Mk1 aircraft. The new system promises significantly improved detection range, enhanced target tracking capabilities, higher resolution, and the ability to monitor a much larger battle space. Next, Solar Industries joins indigenous Project Kusha program. India is taking decisive steps towards securing its airspace with homegrown technology through the ambitious long-range air defense initiative Project Kusha. Led by the DRDO, this critical program has gained significant momentum with the active participation of private sector, majorly solar industries. Thank you.